Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by selecting the right eye size for scale. 8 mm reads smaller, 12 mm reads larger. Once done, compress the stuffing slightly where each eye will sit so the backing can lock cleanly. Use an awl to make a pilot hole. This helps avoid fabric tears later. Make sure you use the correct washers compatible with your eyes. Keep pliers and scissors within reach. You will need them immediately to secure and trim threads. You mark the eye positions, measuring between centers to ensure symmetry because spacing defines expression. Then, push the eye shaft straight through the pilot hole. Go slow to avoid stretching the fabric. Once the shaft protrudes inside, slide the locking washer onto the shaft with one hand while steadying the eye from the outside. Press the washer flush. If it resists, use pliers to press the washer evenly until it clicks or seats tightly. Pause. You now restore the bear's face by pushing stuffing back around each base, blending new fiberfill so the eyes sit natural and not sunken. Once filled, press the fabric smooth and check eye angle. If an eye tilts, remove the washer and reseat it while holding the eye straight. This corrects most misalignments. If a washer won't hold, apply a dab of fabric glue to the shaft before replacing the washer. Finally, trim any exposed shaft and test with a gentle tug to confirm security.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.